Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is angle. It's a B2 level noun, meaning the space between two lines or surfaces. This word comes in handy in various contexts, from geometry to everyday conversation. Let's start with the definition. Angle refers to the measure of the space where two lines meet, often described in degrees. It's not just limited to mathematics. We also use this word figuratively to describe a perspective or approach to a topic. Now, let's explore some synonyms for angle. In a mathematical sense, we could use words like corner or vertex. For example, you might say, the triangle's three corners add up to 180 degrees. In a broader sense, synonyms like perspective or viewpoint are useful. For instance, her viewpoint on the issue brought a fresh angle to the discussion. On the flip side, antonyms of angle might include straight line or flat surface in the geometric sense. For example, a straight line has no angle. In a figurative context, you might contrast angle with disinterest or neutrality. For example, he didn't have an angle in the negotiation, just a neutral stance. Let's look at how we use angle in everyday life. You might talk about angles when arranging furniture, such as, can we move the couch to a better angle so it faces the window? Or perhaps in photography, try shooting the picture from a lower angle for a dramatic effect. It's also common in discussions, I like your angle on the problem, it's very creative. Here are a few more example sentences with angle. The teacher explained how to measure the angle of a triangle using a protractor. From this angle, the painting looks completely different. What's your angle on this situation? I'd love to hear your perspective. To wrap things up, today we learned that angle is a noun that describes the space between two lines or surfaces and is often used both literally and figuratively. We explored some synonyms like corner and viewpoint, as well as antonyms like straight line and neutrality. It's a versatile word that can help you in conversations about geometry, photography, problem solving, and more. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear how you'd use angle in a sentence. So share your example in the comments. See you next time.